Bye. Ooh, that smells good. Yes, I want it. Yes, finally! I wanted this my whole life. We have all my presents that are gonna open, and I am really excited to do this. So let's get to it. Down below,
And then tell them to subscribe.
I tell them to subscribe.
Oh,
Don't
Okay,
forget to subscribe and turn on the icon for more videos. More videos.
sit down.
I think it's jewelry. Jewelry or film stand. Yeah, you want? Are you serious, Daddy?
Oh!
Yes, finally! I wanted this my whole life. It's not what I wanted, but I love it.
No, that's in your wish list.
I know. Yay! Legos! Finally, Legos. My whole entire life I wanted to do this. Pretty.
Pretty, yeah.
Legos, I'm excited to do this. What? Let's do another one. Okay.
Hold
There's
on,
foam
hold on.
balls. I wanted foam balls. I wanted foam balls.
What's
Are you
that?
serious, Daddy?
What?
Yay! Glue! Oh, it's heavy.
So what can we do with the glue?
Slime.
Oh, yeah.
We have baking soda and contact sodas.
Yeah, baking soda and contact.
Do you have shaving cream?
Yes. You got Papa shaving cream. Oh.
Yes, I wanted this.
You know what? We can do one of these and another one of these. Or we can do both.
Both! I want to do both. Let's put some of the things in here
Okay.
from the smaller. Okay? So let's move on to the next one. It's actually getting a little bit messy, so we're going to clean this up after.
Clean up afterwards, huh? What's that?
Ooh, it's round. Okay?
Oh, Mama, what's this round? What do you think? Take a guess.
Wish list niya.
I don't know.
That's one of your wish list.
One of your wish list.
LOL! I think it is LOL.
Oh, no, not yet, not yet.
LOL, wait.
Oh, what else? What else can you think
I
of?
don't know what's on my wish list. I forgot. Okay, let's just open it.
It starts with the letter what, Mama?
It starts with a number.
Which starts with a number.
I don't know. I forgot. I just forgot. Can we just open it, please?
Okay.
Just open it. Wait. Are you serious? Yes, Sparkle Pride. Where's the difference? Are you serious? I wanted Sparkle Pride with the regular card, but now I got a yellow, and now I got a unicorn. Yes!
Wow!
My whole life.
Let me see. Let me see.
Yes, but this is a different one. It's unicorn.
Still beautiful, right?
Unicorn Squad. But you unicorns. I love this. Another box, which I think is Legos.
Okay, you have to.
What kind of Lego?
What kind of one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Hold on. What's your guess? What's your guess?
You're right.
Aladdin Legos or Frozen 2 Legos?
You already got the
No,
frozen.
you already got the Frozen
Aladdin!
too.
Minecraft!
Yeah, that's your favorite.
Thank you! Wow! Thank you!
Let me see.
Ooh, Minecraft!
Let me see.
Minecraft, this is gonna be awesome! Pretty. Yes, 2 Lego sets.
Pretty.
What?
Yeah, pretty.
Yay, one Minecraft! Woohoo! This is from like yes! Finally!
Put all your toys in.
Wow, this is a lot. I want to open these actually now. But I'm not going to build it. I'm not going to build the Legos. I'm going to put this over here. Poked it. Ripped it. But I think it's a jewelry set.
Jewelry set?
Yes, I think.
How do you know?
Because some of the jewelry sets are black. And I think this is one of them. So let's see.
Okay.
Are you serious, Daddy? Wait. Are you serious, Daddy?
What's that?
Yes, I want it! I want it here too!
me see.
Hair chalk.
Let me see.
Hair chalk.
Let me see.
It's hair chalk.
Oh.
Chalk.
Oh. Oh.
Pink, teal, blue, peach, and pink, and purple.
Let me see.
What is this? Mini hair color comb.
Okay.
There's a mini comb in there.
You want to show them what's inside or later?
Later on the
Okay.
video. So let's do on the next. Here is our true with no pranks. I hope. So let's get to this. So first, we got this present. I think it's a controller. I don't know. Let's just open it. Accepted markers. I never got accepted markers. I gave it to my teacher, favorite teacher, Mrs. Rice, but she got a box of them.
Okay.
And now I got more. Now I got some of them, and they are. The green one is apple, the pink one is strawberry, and then this one is grape. This one is lemon, and this one is blueberry. It tells you the colors, and I want to smell this. So let's go.
Oh, it's scented marker. Okay.
Okay, let's see this. Apple? I don't know if it's green apple.
Smells like apple. Okay. Smells nice.
Yeah. Blueberry.
What's the next one? Let me see.
Blueberry. It smells like blueberry. Blueberry.
Okay. Okay.
Let's do grape. Ooh, that smells good. I smell it.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
That smells good. I'm excited to do strawberry. I know it smells.
It's the last one.
Last one. I always do that. It's like kind of reddish. Doesn't smell anything. Some of them don't smell anything. I can't smell it because I don't want to.
Okay, clean up now. Clean up. Clean up. Careful, huh? Careful.
How much? Are you kidding?
What are you gonna do with your $20?
Save it.
Save it. There you go.
Yay!
job.
Money!
I'll give it to Mama. I'm gonna save it for you.
Yay. In my wallet.
Well, before you open anything, clean up.
Oh, yep.
Clean up. Clean up.
They made me tiny. I thought I wanted like.
All right.
There you go.
Wee. Go pour it. I want
I'll give him one.
Give
to.
the
No,
one.
he wants two.
There you go.
Whoa! What? Claire's? Is this the old
For a
one?
long time, yep.
Oh wow. Here. Okay. Where's the other one? I can get this one now.